ready to do some jumping and clapping and dancing and singing? Let's do it. Here we go. Can I see you jump? Oh yeah. Can you jump on one foot? Let's try it. Jumping up and down, jumping up and down, jumping up and down. Shout hello there, hello there. Jumping up and down, jumping up and down, jumping up and down. Shout hello there, hello there. Put your watch on. Oh, what time is it? It is time for us to start the music. Hello there, hello there, hello there, everyone. It is time for us to start the music. Hello there, hello there, hello there, everyone. Show me your hand. What are we gonna do? Yeah, that's right. Let's say it together. Accelerando. What does an accelerando tell us to do? Get faster. Here we go. Let's start really slow. Jumping up and down. Jumping up and down. Faster, jumping up and down. Shout hello there, hello there. Faster, jumping up and down. Jumping up and down. Faster, jumping up and down. Shout hello. That was some good jumping. Hey, today we're gonna do our animal song and we're gonna start by being sharks. What do you think we should do to make us look like sharks? That's a good idea. Let's put our hands on our head. Let's pretend we're in the water. Now, do you think sharks are major or do you think they're minor? They're minor, they're dangerous. All right, let me see you swim like a shark. Oh no, are those sharks getting closer? Oh no, let's do a different animal. Ah, I don't like sharks. Let's do, how about a happy animal? How about a frog? What does a frog say? He says, ribbit, 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 ribbit. Can you put your hands on the floor like this and hop up? Hop up! Let's try it. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Now, let's be butterflies. What color of a butterfly are you going to be? Are butterflies minor or are they major? They're major. They're not dangerous. Let's pretend to be butterflies. Here we go. Look at you. Very nice. Hey, it is time to do our listening exercise. Are you ready to turn on your ears? We're gonna get out our bells. Here we go. What color is this one? It's blue. Yeah, it's a fancy blue called violet. Can you say violet? Very nice. The next one is my mom's favorite color. It's a very special color. It is the color... What is that color? It's green, but it's a special green called chartreuse. Can you say chartreuse? Yes, it's a fancy green. We're going to listen to violet and chartreuse, and we're going to try and find out which bell is higher. Let's listen to violet. Are you ready? Now let's listen to chartreuse. Can you sing those notes with Miss Monique? La, la. Let's sing them together. La, 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 la. Do you know which one's higher? It's violet. Higher, lower. Good job. Let's try some more. How about, what's the next color? Did you say red? Yeah, that's the sign language for the color red. Can you touch your bottom lip, say red? And do you know what the next color is going to be? Let's see if you're right. It's yellow. This is sign language for yellow. Everyone say Yellow, that's right. All right, let's start with yellow. Now let's try red. La, 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 la. Which one's higher? It's the yellow one. Higher, lower. Good job. We're going to put the higher one over here. And we're going to put the lower one down here. Let's see what's next. What color is this one? Pink. How about this one? Green. You're very good with colors. Let's start with pink. La, la. Oh, did you hear that? La, la. Which one's higher? It's the high one is the pink one, and green one is the low one. So we're going to put the high one up here, and we're going to put the lower one a little bit lower on our scale. All right, two more. You ready? What color is, drum roll please, this one? Orange. And what color is this one? Yeah, it's turquoise. It's a fancy blue. Let's do turquoise first this time. La, la. Which one's higher? La, 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 la. It's turquoise. Higher, lower. So we're going to put the higher one way up here. And we're going to put the lower one way down here. All right, my friends, I think we have an octave. What is an octave? Ock. That sounds like an octopus. Can you pretend to be an octopus? Wiggle your arms. Say, I'm an octopus. Mr. Octopus, how many legs do you have? I have 8 legs. If an octopus has 8 legs, how many notes do you think are in an octave? Are you ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What comes next? Can you sing it? Did you sing the right note? 8. Good job, my friends. You know what it is time for? It's time to say goodbye. It is time to say ta-ta, aloha, good day. Toodaloo, see you another day. But the crowd keeps shouting more, so we'll give them an encore. If you're a girl, stand up and take a bow. If you're a boy, stand up and take a bow. All the children, what's the funny word?